So welcome back. It's been a busy few weeks here and we haven't been able to do a lot of videoing. We've been doing our lives on Sunday nights, but the daily, the trying to do videos and going to the doctor and all the different things we've been doing has just not been working out real good for us. We come over here and get that sun out of your eyes. Just getting up this morning and doing a few things, filling the water tank, lighting a fire, kind of hanging around out here, dumping trash. Normal everyday type stuff. You can tell Darla's trying to get a glass of water because she got the water pump running. The water pressure here leaves a lot to be desired, so I'm going to have to just cut this off. We're expecting a couple of freezes here coming week, so the trick that I found when it's going to be below 30 degrees, it usually won't freeze around 32. I mean, it should, but it doesn't. So when you get down below, like 30 and below, our water line will freeze and we can freeze our hydrant over here. So I just fill up the water tank. And here, let me show you that. So I just fill up the tank. That's where you normally fill it, but I use that to tell me when it's full from out here. I have this cool little device here. This is an electric heater, but it's just got one on and off thing. So this is actually a thermostat. And when the temperatures get down to like 35 degrees, it will kick that on, kick that heater on. When it reaches about 42, it shuts off. So it keeps that area from freezing. And then that way, because normally you have to run the big heater in the motorhome to keep that from freezing underneath there, which it probably wouldn't, but I don't want to take a chance. So, and this would be shut off, which when you shut that off, water drains down underneath the ground. I got rock all down there, so it drains off the water. It's pretty easy. We just run on the water pump for a couple of days, and usually when I'll come out and top off, I unhook the hose over there from the Y, shut all the water off, disconnect the hose, and just lay it down here so it runs out down here down the hill. The water drains out of the hose. Here's my little crescent wrench so I can get it tight. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. We did. Went over and visited with my brother and his family and had dinner and spent a couple hours visiting over there and came back and, man, slept about 10 hours last night. It was crazy. But as you can probably see, man, we got a beautiful day going on here. It's about, I don't know, it's probably 52 degrees right now, which is, it's cool, but I'm not cold. And there's a pond down there, someone walking around it, probably fishing. All these ponds have fish in them. Got rid of that big wood pile we used to have, that's gone. Now I got my burning wood over here. I need to kind of pull that all down and clean that all up and then restack it. Got the roof on this side of the shed, and I need to work my way up and then go on to the other side and work my way up on that side. And I've been looking for a framer. So if anybody out there, retired framer or just somebody who needs a place to park their RV for a little while in the winter, if you want to do some trading, have a nice place to come and stay, and I'll be helping you. We could frame that thing up. I got a bunch of the wood. But of course we're leaving. We are doing quartzsite. We'll be leaving here towards the end of December. I'd like to get there a few days early this year. Every year I say, well, it's probably be our last year, but I don't know that for sure. I know every year when it starts getting close, I get the itch. Let's see, this is going to take a few more minutes. So let's see how the fire's doing. Hopefully the other side of the motorhome's on a fire. I don't think so. It's probably out. Ah, it's still burning a little bit. Probably needs a little accelerant put on it. Yep, sure looks like it does. Okay, that worked. Maybe a little too good, but it's running. Nothing like putting a little gasoline on it. Of course, it was dead. But boy, as soon as I hit it with that flame, it took off. These little washer tubs work really good as a fire pit. Surprised it's so quiet. It's deer season. Let's see, we'll let Knucklehead out and see what he does. Come on. Come here. No, you have to stay over here. Stay over here where I can watch you. Go easy. Remember, your leg hurts. Now, don't eat, I don't know what it is right there. He likes to eat that. No. One thing about it, you never run out of firewood around here. It's all on the side of the roads and everywhere. Come on, Katie, come here. And he plays this game, hide behind the tree. He's developed a bad habit of eating things he shouldn't. Come on. Yeah, fire's roaring now. There he is. Okay, can't get too comfortable. Gotta go check the water. Probably getting pretty close. Yeah, I'd say so. Oh, not good. Not good. That's not supposed to happen. It's full. Usually it takes forever to fill this thing. All right. I'll let that stuff dry out. I'm going to have to shut the electricity off to that thing real quick. Come on, open sesame seed buns. Turn that off. Okay.